The Umkhonto weSizwe Party continues to face internal upheaval as a member of the party, Mary Pardey, confirmed that they want Duduzane Zuma as the new deputy president of the party. Pardey emphasized the need for young and fresh leadership, taking a pointed jab at current Deputy President Dr. John Hlophe. The former judge president, she implied, is no longer fit for the role. Pardey and Hlophe have a long-standing and public history of animosity. Before her temporary dismissal from the party, Pardey accused Hlophe of soliciting as favors, allegedly threatening her position in the party if she did not comply. In response, Hlophe's legal team issued a letter of demand calling on Pardey to retract her statements and issue a formal apology. Pardey, however, not withdrawn her allegations nor apologized. This isn't the first time Pardey has stirred controversy within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party. She previously predicted the removal of Floyd Shivambu from his role as Secretary General, which was later confirmed. Pardey had described Shivambu as arrogant and recalled a negative first encounter, claiming he neither greeted nor shook hands with other members, which she perceived as bitterness. Shivambu's status within the party remains uncertain. He was reportedly excluded from the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's parliamentary list, fueling speculation about his future. While some factions within the party are lobbying for his reinstatement, others remain firmly opposed, highlighting deep divisions and growing instability within the Umkhonto weSizwe Party's leadership ranks. The unfolding developments suggest that the Umkhonto weSizwe Party is entering a turbulent period with major rifts between key figures threatening to derail internal cohesion and focus. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.